In today's video, we're preparing this delicious okra soup. Not very slimy, but slimy okra soup. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share the best, healthy, and delicious recipes. Trust me, you will love it here. So please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. My name is Lena. So I have with me here my fresh okra. Okay, I have washed it like 3 times already, and now it is here with me. I'm just going to cut them and then we can proceed. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers. I'm so grateful that you always come here to watch my videos. Now, there are some people, they eat the head of the okra, okay, the one I just discarded. You can go ahead and add it to it if that is what you like, and then the bottom part. Okay, there are some people, they eat that as well, but I have never eaten that before, and I never saw my mother adding that to her okra soup. So we will discard that part as well, and then we can proceed. I'll continue with this process till I'm done cutting all the okra, and then I will share with you the next step. Thank you so much. Now we are done with everything, and I have my okra on fire. I've added some water to it, and we are just going to allow it to cook very well. If you want to add akawa to it, you can go ahead and do so, but before God, I have never added kawa to my food, any of my foods before. Okay, yes. So now I have some onions, and this is how the okra is looking. So you can replace the akawa with your baking soda. Okay, I was distracted because I got some call from one of my sisters on YouTube. That's just by the way. So now this is how it looks, and I'm just going to leave it on fire for some time, and then we proceed. With the okra, if you have any fish that is very hard, you can just go ahead and then add it to your okra so that it can become a bit soft by the time the okra is ready. I'll just go ahead, leave this on fire for some few minutes, and then we can continue with our soup. If you are still with me, it means you like the video. Can you please like it for me, share to others? Let me see your comments in the comment section, and I'll be very happy. I'll go ahead and then add my jute leaves, ewedu, ayoyo, ademe, anyhow you call this. Okay, yes, give it a stir, and then we can proceed. I am so sorry that it has been a long time that I brought you video. Like, I've been missing uploads. Sometimes we feel broken. Okay, before we talk about that, our okra is ready. I have my different types of fishes here. Okay, I have some salted tilapia, I have smoked herrings, I have my salted shark, which is kaku, I have some round scarred fish I steamed, I have red fish, in fact I have a lot of fishes. Okay, assorted one ankasa. And I added some cow skin as well. Now I added some salt to it. I steam it for some time. I'm just giving it a stir and ensure that the kaku and then the salted tilapia is well cooked before I go ahead and then do whatever thing I want to do. I added some pepper earlier as well. So back to what I was trying to say, it is not easy to be a mother, okay, and then a wife. It's not easy. You have a whole lot of work to do. Sometimes by the time you want to upload video, you are already tired. Like, if you don't take time, you break down. So when I say it like that, I just don't want to stress myself, because if you stress yourself you will break down. So you have to let one go. One of the works that you do, you have to let one go. Either you won't wash, if you want to wash your clothes, you just let it go and do other things. Yes, that is why it has been some time now I don't post. I'm so tired. Now I've added my okra, and I will give this a stir, and then we proceed. As we are doing this, I have some oil on fire. I added some blended onions to it, and it is frying very well. Okay, when it is ready, I am just going to transfer it here, and then we can proceed. But before we continue with that, I will give this a stir and then add the oil we fried earlier. You can see it looks so delicious. At this moment, taste for salt and see if everything is on point. I tasted for salt and it wasn't enough, even though I did not add any salt to the soup because of the salted tilapia and then salted shark. Okay, with this particular soup, oh my goodness, the fish was too much. Yes, I tell you honestly, it was too much. Now I've added my steamed fish to it. Okay, I removed it earlier because I didn't want it to scatter in the soup. Now I've added it to it, and trust me, the fish was too much. I regretted after I was done with the soup. Yeah, now I waited for some few minutes and I realized the salt is not enough, even though we did not add salt to it. So I added some to it. Okay, yes, I do remember I added some more salt to it. I gave this a stir and then waited for some time. Now just look at our soup, and then the person is not going to eat this just a day. Okay, it will take a week. Yes, I prepare food for them weekly, so it will take a week before this get finished. So if you add a lot of salt to it, it will become salty as time goes on. Okay, yes, so that is the quantity of salt I added to the soup. And with this soup, oh my goodness, they fell in love with it. They pair this with some banku. You can pair it with your eba, kinky, any swallow, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. And just look at how slimy it looks. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I believe you are going to try this recipe and then give me some beautiful feedback. So this is how our soup is looking, and it is ready. Thank you so much. So I come your way next time. Trust me, you will love the next upload, so do not miss it. Okay, you can't afford to miss it. So click on the bell icon that says all, so that when we upload you will get notification. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.